Hey viewers, kind of got sidetracked and I don't have my shovel with me, but came down a field, got it looking around and came across this stump here, and I think it's probably from the 50s, maybe some 40 stuff in it. There's a nice green bottle, but there's nothing on it. Nice little bottle though. Won't be taking it, but I found a few over here. There's an old Crown Royal bottle, but I just pulled out this Moxie bottle, and that's a nice little find. So I'm going to take that one. Owen, Illinois. I'm not sure if that 5 means 45 or I guess it's a 6. 46 or 56 maybe. Anyways, that's one for the bag. Just pulled this electric fence insulator out. Still got the nail in it. It's one of those nails like that. Find a few of these around these old farm sites. But another thing I want to mention were Clorox bottles. This place is full of them. Well, I know a lot of people sell them, or try to sell them, or at least collect them. But I don't bother because there's so many of them around this area anyways. There's a nice, look at that, Canada Dry liter bottle. Well, I guess it's not a, I wouldn't call it a liter, but yeah, I might take that one too. Okay, over and out. Got a little stoneware jug here, folks. Let's see if it's all there. No, it's broke, but have we got all the pieces? Seems to be a lot of pieces. I don't know if that'd be worth trying to put back together or not. It's a lot of pieces. Pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, at least 6. Oh, there's, that would be a main piece there. Don't want to forget that one. 7. Yeah, didn't have my gloves. That might do it. Oh, there's one there. 8. Piece there might be important. 9. And then the 2 main pieces. Okay. I'm going to take those. That might be a little project. Try to put that together. Okay, over and out. Got some one cobalt blue right here, folks. Yeah, it's just a genuine Phillips bottle. Nice little one. It's all together. Still got a cap on it. Almost legible. Okay, we'll take that too. Broke. Ketchup. Sauce bottle. Interesting little shaped bottle there. Something on the bottom. Gravy Master. Yeah. I'll leave that one. Okay, I'm going to keep looking around. There's the remains to an old radio. Tube there. Try and get that out. Yep. Cool beans. Okay. Hey folks, I'm back on this rock property line there where I did the video on tips on how to find old bottles. And so far all that I've found is some broken shards. I don't know, somebody might have been here and got some stuff before I did. This place is hunted a lot, so apple trees around, so that's what hunters look for, because the deer are attracted to the apple tree. So lots of times hunters will find these trash pits and they'll take stuff out of them. But anyways, here's this bottle here. So let's pull that out, it might be alright. Sweet. This is a blown Shoofly flask with an applied top. So that's a good find. Kind of an aqua blue color. Right on. I thought that looked like it was the Shoofly flask there when I seen it in the last video, but it was still frozen in the ground. So there's that, and I'll keep poking away here, scraping, see if I can get anything else out. Well, I got into a pocket of glass underneath this old tree here. Managed to dig out that old broken up ginger beer. I'm not going to be putting that back together though. That's too bad that's broke though. There's a bunch of other glass up through there. I tossed some over there too. Anyways, I don't think there's going to be anything in here, but I'll stick around for a little bit longer and see if anything turns up. Here's a find, folks. Looks like a white insulator. Okay. Still a bit of wire on it. Looks to be in really good condition though. No markings, no. But yeah, it's in perfect condition, so I'll take that for sure. Nice little find. Hey viewers, I'm at a little spot here. Looks like it's probably been hit before. I'm only fine. I found a few interesting bits of shards, but everything's broke for the most part, other than some modern, like screw top bottles, more modern stuff, maybe 40s or 50s. But here's a nice blown top, and right beside it I pulled out this here hot water knob. It's a nice little find. And then right after that I got this Ford cap. Let me get it focused there. It's got threaded, so it would have been a cap for a fluid of some sort. So that's probably quite old. Nice little find, I'll keep it. Alright, I'll let you go and I'll get you back up if we find anything else here. Good day, folks. Glad you could all join me here for the recap. Didn't find any real spectacular finds on this hunt, but you know, I got a few things here and we'll go over them and make the best of it. So we'll start off with these two brown medicine bottles over here. Now this one here is a little bit bigger than the other one, and this one is dated 1943. Okay, it's machine made, and this one is 1944. Nothing real special about them, no embossing on them, but they're something. So here we go, onward to this one here. We got a Federal Law Forbids bottle. I really like the color of it. And the Federal Law Forbids, they used that on the bottles between the years of 1935 and 1964. So this one's going to land in there somewhere. And on the bottom of it, see if we can make that out. It's a Bacardi Corporation of America, San Juan, PR. And down here is a 52. And I'm saying that 52 is the year, 1952. Nothing real special about it. I'm sure it's quite common, but I liked the color of the bottle, so I grabbed it and brought it home. Next, I got this Shoofly flask. Now, in the bottle, when I dug it, I said it had, what did I say? It was an applied lip, but it isn't. It's a tooled lip. That it is blown in a mold. And it's probably going to be around the turn of the century. Got a really faint bluish color to it. It's a nice bottle. I think that's 6 or 7 of those I found like in the past year. Here's a nice Moxie soda bottle. It's got the Owens, Illinois glass mark on the bottom, so that's going to be post 1929, and I suspect that it's actually 1946, so a lot of stuff from the 40s here. And next we got this big handled jug. It was all broke apart. If you watched the video, you seen I collected a bunch of the pieces there and got them all back together. But I was missing these 2 little pieces here. But otherwise it went together fairly well. I did pick up some epoxy, so I might try to smooth it out, and if I do, I'll keep you updated on how that turns out. I'm not sure what the age on that would be. If anybody's got any ideas, feel free to say. Next I got this nice insulator. It's got a little bit of a crack on it right there, which I didn't notice when I dug it, or found it rather. But it's pretty nice. Pretty nice. This electric fence one, WP5 USA, had this nail, and I always called them just double-headed nails. That was in it when I found it. But it's called actually called a double-headed duplex nail. So that's interesting, if anybody was wondering. Like that, see? These 2 cobalts, they're both from the 40s. And this little shaped one here, a lot of you might recognize the shape of that, but it doesn't say aspirin on the side of it, but it does say bear on the lid. I can get focus there on it. There we go. That's going to be from the 40s, I believe. Got this hot water handle, and it's starting to all peel apart, so I'm going to chuck that in the garbage bin. But it was a nice little find. And alongside it, I found this Ford cap. That would have went on something. Still in pretty good shape. So that's it, folks. Hope you enjoyed the video and the cleanup. Thanks for watching. Hope you're all doing well. And we'll see you all in the next one. Have a great day, everyone.